Wanna know how to download and sign up for Evernote app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already onto my Play Store. You can also get into your App Store or Play Store and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Insert here Evernote. Tap on this particular app that you want to install. Tap on install next to this particular app and then wait for it to get installed and download it. You can see that I have already installed it, so I'm going to tap an open option next to uninstall. I am on to the very first section of the Evernote app itself. Tap on this email and then keep your very new email, or either you can continue with Google as well. Tap on continue below after keeping your email address. Now tap on password and then choose a password for your Evernote account. Make sure to make it a very stronger one with 8 minimum characters with uppercase, lowercase symbol and a number. When you're done with all of this, tap on this create account below. So you can see that first of all we have an option of starting a free trial. If you don't want to, tap on this crush bar icon on the top left corner. Tap on great let's go to get welcomed. Tap on create a note and you can get started by creating a note. Or else tap on this crush option on the top left corner. Tap on quit tour to cancel taking the tour now, or you can even take the tour. So this is it. You are into the very new account of your Evernote app. Now you can get all of it started, create a note, notebook, stack, and then save the best notes, galleries, pictures, and take the best benefits out of this app. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.